Right now, you're looking at a surprising sentiment score of plus 0.011 amidst a significant momentum drop of minus 0.900. This divergence indicates that while market sentiment is slightly positive, the underlying momentum is extremely negative, which is a rare occurrence. Our Finance Sentiment API returns a comprehensive analysis that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and even semantic clusters, to help you drill down into specific themes driving this sentiment. Imagine using this insight to identify potential opportunities for contrarian strategies, where you can capitalize on the disconnect between sentiment and momentum. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.